Welcome to Canvas New Quizzes. In this portion, we will be discussing how to migrate a classic quiz to a new quiz. To migrate a classic quiz to the new quiz type, begin by going to the Quizzes index on your course navigation menu. From here, you will need to locate the quiz that you wish to migrate. You can tell classic quizzes from new quizzes by looking at the icon to the left. Empty rocket ships are a classic quiz, while filled-in rocket ships are a new quiz. To migrate this classic quiz, use the three-dot kebab to the right and choose Migrate. You will get a notification that informs you your quiz is being migrated. This can take a few seconds to a few moments, depending on how many questions are in your quiz. If for some reason that time period has passed and you are still seeing the icon showing that it's working, try refreshing your screen. Once the quiz is done migrating, I can see that a second copy has been made with that filled-in rocket ship, denoting it as a new quiz. Ensure all your questions have come over in the way that you intended by clicking on the new quiz, verifying the point values, assignment group, and due dates as you intended. To check the questions, use the Build button at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can see each of the questions as well as the correct answers. You can rearrange questions or use any of the new quiz features at this point. It's important to note that all quizzes migrated from Blackboard or PLE came over as classic quizzes. This means any type of exam, test, etc. that migrated in your content will need to be migrated from a classic quiz to a new quiz in the near future. If your test, exam, or quiz used a bank or a pool in Blackboard, please reach out for support. Also, please note that if you had media files, such as images or video in your quiz, or you were using LaTeX, there may be some additional things you need to address. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.